Hey, Queen, how are you tonight? Let me ask you something. Have you ever moisturized your Sisterlocks and an hour later they still felt dry, or they felt soft for a moment and then dry all over again? If that's ever been you, this lesson is for you, because tonight we're talking about the number one mistake: keep Sisterlocks dry. And it's not what most women think. Last week, we started something new. We began our Scalp First Education series. We learned that your scalp is skin, and we talked about scalp inflammation, tenderness, dryness that won't quit. And tonight, we're building upon that, because once your scalp begins to heal, your hair still needs something essential. And many women skip this step completely. So before we get any further, Queen, let's get centered. Let's place one hand on our crown and the other on our heart. And let's take a slow breath and let it out. Now receive this affirmation. I choose to structure because I choose results. Let's say that again. I choose structure because I choose results. Let that settle in. Let that settle in for a minute, because structure is what your crown has been asking about. So tonight's topic is simple but powerful. We're talking about why skipping water-based moisture keeps Sisterlocks dry. Not oil, not products, not styles, hydration. And here's the truth, Queen. Oil does not moisturize hair. Oil seals, oil protects, and oil softens. But oil does not give moisture. Water does. And when we don't understand that, we end up doing what we were taught. We oil dry hair. We oil itchy scalp. We oil and hope for softness. But hope is not strategy. When you hydrate first, your scalp responds. Dryness eases and tightness softens. Your hair becomes flexible again. That's when routines start working. This one shift can save you time, money, and frustration. Because instead of being a product junkie, you finally understand what your hair actually needs. So write this down, Queen. Hydration first and sealing second. Always. That's the foundation. Now, by the end of tonight, Queen, you will know why your hair may still feel dry, how to hydrate correctly, and how to stop undoing your own progress. This week is about structure. And so here's the mistake: applying oil to dry hair. When you do that, you're not nourishing your hair, you're sealing in dryness. And that's why Sisterlocks feel stiff. That's why softness doesn't last. And so scalp first hydration means water-based moisture that lasts, and oil is second. You hydrate the scalp, you hydrate the hair, then you seal. This is the structure, and structure creates results. You see, Sisterlocks are smaller and more delicate. They lose moisture faster. So when hydration is skipped, dryness shows up quicker. Not because your hair is failing, but because it's thirsty. Let me ask you, be honest with yourself. Were you using oil as your main source of moisture, or were you hydrating first? Drop it in the comments. There's no judgment here. Just answer the question. We just want clarity. Now, let me show you how to fix it. First, you hydrate with a water-based spray. So you literally lift your hair, right, and spray your scalp, letting the roots receive the moisture. Then you put on your oil, and then you gently massage. You remember me showing you that? Remember when I sprayed this hair first, and then I dropped oil on the hair, and the oil just absorbed into the hair. And we're going to use this avocado oil, awesome oil, and I'm going to show you how, after spraying the hair, how it just absorbs into the hair. You see that? Look at that. It's just absorbing into the hair. And so that's what you want to do, is actually spray your hair, moisturize it, hydrate it, and then you seal it in with the oil. And so we are highlighting the avocado oil this month, because that avocado oil is simply awesome, and it penetrates deep into the hair strand. So let me share with you some tips on why the avocado oil is so awesome. And so this is where the avocado oil comes in. This is the spotlight product for this month. Avocado oil is different. It penetrates deeply into the scalp, and it supports inflamed scalp. It strengthens the hair without the heaviness. It doesn't sit on top of the hair. It actually works with hydration. That's why it's the featured oil for this series. So let me share this pro tip with you, Queen. Use just a few drops of avocado oil. You can even warm it in the palm of your hand and press it into your hair. Don't rub it on your hair. More oil does not mean more moisture. It means build up. So if your hair has been dry, you didn't fail. You were never taught this part. Now you know. And knowing changes everything. And so you just didn't know. You never was taught this part. And because you didn't know what to do, right? And so when you know better, you can do better. And so I really hope that this teaching has been something that has really enlightened you. And so I would like to encourage you to, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, if this information has been a blessing to you and you learned a little bit tonight, then I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to the Beautiful Hair Products channel. And make sure you click on that bell, because that notification is an indication to let you know when I upload a new video and when I make a post or when I do anything here on my channel. And so this channel is where we build together 1 week at a time. So your next step is clarity, right? Take the porosity quiz if you have not. Stop guessing and start nurturing your crown correctly, Queen. And so clarity creates confidence. And so next week, we are going deeper, even deeper, and we'll talk about hydration rhythm, how often to hydrate, and what consistency really looks like for Sisterlocks. because hydration isn't random, it's a rhythm. Until next time, Queen, continue nourishing your Sisterlocks one drop at a time. Peace.